Experience authentic Italian coffee at home with Bialetti Moka Express. The original stovetop espresso maker, delivering rich and flavorful espresso. Designed in 1933 by Alfonso Bialetti, its iconic shape is a timeless classic. Made in Italy, featuring a patented safety valve for easy cleaning. An ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for brewing. Compatible with gas, electric, and induction stovetops. Brewing is simple: fill the boiler with water and add ground coffee. Place on the stovetop and wait for the signature gurgling sound. In minutes, enjoy a fresh, aromatic espresso ready to savor. Cleaning is effortless, just rinse with water, no detergents needed. Upgrade your coffee routine with the Bialetti Moka Express. Enjoy authentic Italian espresso every day with ease. Click the link below to order yours now.